Hi, I'm Darlene. Today I'm making cinnamon peach kuchen. So let's get started on Darlene's table.
Alright, we're going to start with the dry ingredients and whisk them all together. The flour, sugar, salt, baking powder. Now I'm going to add 1 stick of cold butter, very cold butter cubed. We'll dust it with flour and start to cut in the butter to the flour. I'm going to use this pastry cutter a little, and then I'm going to be switching to my hands to really make it crumbly and spread that butter about. And I do it quickly. The butter doesn't melt. We still get that nice buttery shortbread texture. I want it real crumbly. Disperse the butter throughout. Now, this is ready to press into my greased spring foam pan. I have a sheet of parchment in the bottom that's also been greased. We'll spread this around, go up the sides, and then press the bottom so it's firm. This really turned out so well. I had never made it before, but I'll tell you, this will not be the last time I do it. Alright, now I'm going to press down the bottom. You can just use a cup, something small. Make sure that it's pressed down well. Now, the peaches were drained. These are canned peaches. They were drained very well, and I actually patted them dry. Fresh peaches would be wonderful in this in the summer. Now, on top of this, we placed the brown sugar and cinnamon, which has been mixed together. Now, this will go into the oven after I spread all the sugar around. Into the oven at 350 degrees. Make sure you put it on a cookie sheet for about 20 minutes. And while it's in the oven, I'm going to mix together the heavy cream. So that's a cup of heavy cream, 2 egg yolks, and then about a teaspoon of vanilla bean paste. This is going to make a nice custard on top of the peaches that will be baked. So now I'm going to pour the custard in, which we just mixed. Spread it back into the oven and bake it for about 50 to 55 minutes longer until the top is set. Cool completely on a wire rack. Now this can be served warm, room temperature, or cold. It's absolutely delicious. Peach Kuchen is a delicious and classic German dessert that is perfect for any occasion. The dish typically consists of a soft and buttery cake base or a shortbread that is topped with a layer of juicy and sweet peaches. The peaches are covered with a rich custard or cream filling, and the entire dish is baked to golden perfection. The resulting dessert is a mouth-watering treat that is loved by people of all ages. The best part about this dessert is that it is relatively simple and requires only a few simple ingredients. Peach Kuchen is sure to impress and delight everyone who tries it. By now you know where you can find this recipe, on my website, darlenestable.com. I hope you go there, download the recipe, and try these for yourself. Also, I'd love to hear from you, so please feel free to comment below. And if you have any questions concerning the recipe, I will always be happy to answer those for you. Thanks for watching, and come back to see what's cooking on Darlene's Table.